Hello again, my lovely, and welcome back to my channel, and a very late unboxing of the Alexandra Renke Kreativ-Box April 2021. And I did order a couple of items and they packaged it in a second box that's underneath. So let's get right on with it. I'm guessing you have seen all the contents that could be in here on social media, and so have I, but of course it's always a surprise, apart from the fact that they packaged some papers, but we'll get onto that in a minute. So I'm back from my rehab and I'm still not well, but I can sit long enough to do this unboxing. So I see the dies, the hug dies. So first one up is the hug die and a little heart that comes with it. Yeah, and it's called Herzliche Umarmung, warm hug in English. Yes, and hopefully I'll find some flowers in here as well. And the stamps are for Mother's Day, and they go with the die, with the hug die. And well, basically it's to Mama in German. I don't call my mother Mama, but anyway. The American version is also in here, and it's Mom or Mom, which I don't call my mom that. I would call her Mom in English, as in English, British English I should say. And the clear stamps are called Mama Tag, both in German and English. And here I'm looking at those ones that I could possibly use. There are quite a few. And up next is the die for one of the florals that is very lovely, and the die consists of 6 pieces and it's called Astrella, or Astrella I should say. Yeah, so that's wonderful. And here we have a laser cut file that is backed with red paper. And I will do my layout with this one later on. And by the way, I'm very sorry about the sunshine, but I had to get onto it right away when I got home today, so I apologize for that. So it was announced previously on the website that the line called Calm papers would be in the box, and here we are. So let's take a closer look. Basically they all look the same, but they have different colors and different numbers, so I'll go through them all one by one. If you don't want to see this bit, you can fast forward. I will try and put the timestamps in there for you. Not forgetting the paper in the file. That is paper number 10 2204, a warm red. And next up is the carmine red, and that is paper number 10, 1450. Then we have a beige colored one. I'm so sorry, it's not very well lit. So the paper number is 10, 1455. And then we have a very light grayish one, I think. And you can hardly see this. The paper number is 10, 1651. Up next is a very light blue paper. The paper number is 10, 1528. And a pinkish one. And that paper number is 10, 14, 52. Sorry about the camera going out of focus. And this is a green one, 10, 19, 17. And a darker beige one, it's 10, 14, 54. Up next is a warm yellow sunny color. That paper number is 10, 14, 46. And another pink one that's very light, and the paper number here is 10, 16, 98. And a burgundy kind of almost purplish color, and the paper number is 10, 18, 55. Oh, here's a purple now, and that paper number is 10, 4, 18, 40. Very sorry about that. Camera going out of focus. And this is a skin colored one, or at least my kind of skin. 10, 18, 48. And then a taupe color, that is paper number 10, 14, 60. You may also call it grey. I think it's taupe. And here we have a dark purple, and the paper number is 10, 15, 27. So that was the last one of the colors or colored papers called Calm. So I have decided to use the light purple as a backing for the file, and I will use the dies because I'm trying to use all the ingredients of the box for my project, and from here on out I should speed up the video by at least 5 times, if not faster, so you don't have to go through the whole process in real time, of course. What I did was, since I believe that there should have been a blue in the collection, I made my own blue paper with the Schmincke Lapis Lazuli or Lapis Lazuli paint in watercolor on watercolor paper, and also punch those out, so that because red stands for love, and I'm using the carmine red, and then of course blue stands for faithfulness in, at least in my understanding. So this is why I went ahead and did that, which is not quite what I was planning to do, but there you go. And I punched out lots and lots of the Astarella dies and one set of arms. I shaped them a little bit with a ball tool and then made them look a little bit three-dimensional, and then fit them into the A and decorated all the flowers that I punched out into this slot, and you could hardly see the A at the end, but I think it looks quite nice, and I may have seen something of the sort with all the posts that were on social media by their design teams and so on. Since I'm also in the group, I don't know if you remember, but there is an Alexandra Renke group on Facebook, and yes, there's all kinds of things to be seen, and I also saw with envy that there were so many lovely flowers, and I've gone ahead and ordered some more of the flowers. But I have also decided that I will give the Kreativ-Box a break as soon as I can, because I'm collecting too many papers and I don't know what to do with them. So, you know, until then, until the time that I can cancel my subscription, I will of course do the unboxing videos and also do unboxing videos of everything I order from them, which I will keep up, of course, because they're just there are just too many lovely products not to order them. And yeah, so this is what I have decided in my long absence, where I had plenty of time to think because I couldn't move very much. But anyway, that's about it, and all that is to be said about this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me do the unboxing, and also enjoyed watching me punch out the flowers and so on, and I hope you enjoyed your box and you received a lovely flower with your box as well, if you are a subscriber. Well, I do hope to see you in my next video, whatever it may be. And then I wish you all the best. Do take care, do what you love. Bye for now. Ta-da!